Hi, and welcome back to another Blender generate modifier video. So for this one, I really like it, and hopefully you will too. So take like this object that you have, right? Actually, let's delete that and add a new one. Shift A, and go with the monkey again. Sorry. Right, right. Like this is really cool object, right? And let's say you created your own arm or leg or just maybe some gear or whatever, and you wanted to make this like look a little bit cubish or whatnot. One modifier that you can use for this to make it really fast and simple is the Remesh modifier. So select this and get this wonkiness. So we can also do smoothing here as well, but it just depends on what you want it to look like. So you can get that basic shape, but making it look really cool. It just remeshes your current object into something new like this. See, adaptability. No, that's good. No. See, so like you could take the shape and then create like a monkey based what's it called, headgear, stuff like that, because this looks pretty dope, right? Let's see, then we can do sharp. It's whoa, it's all right. I like the first one better, the voxel, but you just got to experiment until you find something that works for you. Sharp. Remove disconnected. Yeah. Now smooth shading. Oh, that looks terrible. Okay. And again, if you do smooth shading, maybe add that multi-resolution one. Let's go with smooth. Ooh, nice. And octave depth. Whoa. You can even break it down to a little square. Nice. Whoa, that's so high end, and I think I just crashed the program again. No, yep, I crashed it. Oh, my bad. So yeah, don't go 8, or for me, don't go more than 5 because I will crash things. All right. No. Oh, my poor. All right. Well, lesson learned. Hopefully, you take my advice. That looks like. Oh God. Task manager. I get a kill like that. All right. So this is how you kill your program. All right. Let's go back. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Some troubleshooting right there. Okay, monkey. Take this other out. Let's go back and add the modifier again. Remesh. Smooth. Do not go past 5. Well, for me. Then the scale. Whoa, that's cool. See, if you can make like an animation with this, that would be pretty dope. Remove disconnected. Yep. Then threshold and smoothing. Yeah. All right, and let's go with blockish. Oh, we don't want smoothing in the blockish, but this is kind of what I meant with that whole cubular thing. Like, let's say you have an arm and you want to make it cubular. This is like the fastest way to do it. While keeping the shape. Oh, nice. Whoa. Nice. Cool. All right. So think of it like this. If you create a nice landscape and then you want to make it all cubish, this would be the one of the fastest way to making sure anything that's disconnected stays there or doesn't. Then the threshold, not too sure what that's doing. Then smoothing. Oh god, that looks like an abomination. Okay, let's leave that, and we're gonna add a multi-resolution to that, and yeah, let's see what happens. Oh no, that's just right out bad. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. Again, experiment with this, but this is one of the fastest way to make things a little cubular.